Hello, my name is Carolina Sikorska, and I am a Client Success Manager with InfoTrack. Today, I will be walking you through the Docket Sync functionality available through Leap for New Jersey. This is an exciting new feature available for Leap through InfoTrack that ensures that you are able to quickly collect all up-to-date information related to your client's case and then sync all that relevant docket information back into your Leap matter. The Docket Sync feature is extremely useful when taking on a new client and being able to quickly and effectively capture all relevant case information to add to their matter within Leap and get you up to date on all information and activity related to their case. This feature is designed to make the document and case information collection process much quicker and more efficient than the current manual process of having to log in and access the New Jersey e-courts and then manually download each document, write down all of your case information and case party information, and then taking the manual steps to put all of that information back into Leap. So once again, this Docket Sync functionality is only available through Leap, and not only does it do the collection work for you, but it frees up your time as well as the time of your staff that would otherwise be doing this entire process manually. So we can actually quickly jump into Leap, and I can walk you through an example of a docket sync so you can know how it would function within Leap and transfer the information into your Leap matter for you. So once we jump into Leap here, the first step, the only thing we really need to do to initiate the docket sync here is create a new matter. So of course you'll see I'm creating a matter for New Jersey. I'm going to do litigation civil here. And really the first step you need to take inside of Leap before initiating the docket sync is just input the information here for your client. So I'll put that in here, get my matter started, give that a moment to load up for us. And then once our matter is set up in Leap, we can go over right here to the right side. On the top right, you will see searching and services. And this is the button you'll press to initiate the docket sync. So I will go ahead and click on that, give it a moment to pop open for us here. So it's going to take us to this screen. If you look over on the right side under courts, there's going to be a button labeled New Jersey Docket Sync. So that's what we're going to want to press. And once we do that, it's going to take us to a case search. So this is where we're going to plug in the information for our case and see what's available for that specific case number. So I will go ahead and select my court division here and then search my docket number. So I'll select my county, plug in my docket number here, as well as the docket year, and then we will do a search. So at this point, it's going to locate that docket for us. So now it's loading all of the case details that are available for the docket we just searched. So right here, you'll see it has already pulled up all related case information for this specific case that we just searched together. And you can see all of the information that is available. So we have our case party information right here, as well as all of our case actions. So here are all of the documents that we can see that are available. So we're capturing a lot of information here. If you look under every single category, so we're looking under plaintiffs, defendants, case actions, we have the option to sync. So where you're going to want to sync the details that we're interested in my case here, I'm just going to sync everything. I want to collect all of my case party information. I want to collect all of the documents. So we'll leave all of the sync details fields checked off. And once we're ready to collect this information, we could click on Sync to Leap. And this is going to initiate the syncing process for us. On the next screen, it's going to show us additional information that we can sync back into Leap. So we can create cards for our clients, for courts, judges here, any information we want to capture, we can transfer over automatically here. So you'll see it is capturing my court card, court name, docket number, division, all the information is captured here. And I'm going to mark it as yes because I want to create this card inside of Leap. And then if you go through the screen, you'll see that you have some additional options here. So we have our judge information here. We're going to create a court card for that as well, a judge card rather. And then we'll have our case party information. So if you already have an existing card, but there is additional information available that you'd want to sync back, you can go ahead and do that. So we can, in this case, let's say update our card details. It's going to add the address and all other relevant information for my client here and add that to my client card back in Leap. So you can add whatever information that you want to transfer back into Leap, whatever you find relevant. And again, if there is no card created, it will create that card. Or if there's additional information that can be added to an existing card, it can do that as well for you. So we've selected the information that we want to transfer over. Here are the documents that we want to sync as well. So at this point, all we need to do is click on Sync to Leap. And it will begin transferring all of this information that we requested back into that specific matter inside of Leap. And again, this will take a little bit of time to transfer over for us, you know, up to a couple minutes just to sync over the details for the court, judge, plaintiffs, defendants, of course, all of our documents as well. So at this point, we can, while this is updating for us, we can go back to our Leap matter. And we'll slowly see all of that information coming over. So again, right here, you can see your folders and documents getting moved to the correspondence area within our Leap matter here. The folders and documents are labeled in a way that makes them easily identifiable, as opposed to being named just by the docket numbers alone, when you would be downloading them and logging them from the e-courts. So you see you're capturing a lot of information. You could open these up and you can see exactly the documents inside of each folder and all of the information being organized for you there. So this is extremely useful in that regard, and it's very detailed, so it lets you know exactly what's going on there. And then if we look over on the left side, you'll see all the information is slowly trickled out in for us in regards to all available contact information. So we've captured the information for all parties involved. Same thing, all of the court details related to our case has been transferred over, and that has all come back into the relevant Leap matter automatically. So I want to reiterate not only the convenience, but also the importance of being able to easily collect all of this case-related information. So not only collect it, but also have it transfer automatically into the correct Leap matter. The updating of client cards that we saw happening for us here will also ensure you have everything available for serving parties, as well as all up-to-date case and contact information. It will also keep you updated on all relevant activity and documentation for your client's case. So something great to keep in mind is that after we did this initial sync, if we want to go back in the future and repeat this process, we can. And what this will do is capture any new activity or information that's available and sync it back into Leap once again. What's nice about it is that it will add all new information, but it won't duplicate anything you may have already synced back into this specific Leap matter for this case. So as you can see, this feature is extremely useful. It is only available through Leap. InfoTrack does not have any subscription fees, and there are no associated fees with this feature at this time. It is ready to use and ready to simplify your process and make it quicker and more extensive. Not only are you quickly capturing most accurate case information, but you're clearing up the time for yourself as well as your staff that would otherwise be taking manual steps to complete this type of case information capture. So at this point, if you have any questions for us at all, if you'd like to do a demonstration, have us walk you through it, or do an example with you, feel free to contact us anytime. Our email as well as our phone number are on the screen. Feel free to contact us and we can set up some time to go over this with you. Thank you so much for joining me and learning a little bit more about this Docket Sync functionality available for New Jersey inside of LEAP, and we hope to talk to you soon. Thank you so much.